Funding does not usually fail because people do not care. It fails because capital cannot move with trust. Operators collect proof, verifiers review it, sponsors still hesitate, and money gets stuck between evidence and release. EcoSwarm region fixes that. We focused on one launch wedge, verified milestone payouts for community restoration and resilience projects. Instead of trying to solve all climate finance, EcoSwarm solves the high friction point where proof has to trigger payout. Now, this is the operator workspace. A local operator submits a project with proof metadata, urgency, and beneficiary context. EcoSwarm turns that intake into a structured payout case with a sponsor, verifier, operator, milestone plan, and release readiness state. Now, see this case queue. This matters really because real programs do not manage one project at a time. They manage a queue. EcoSwarm lets teams lock into one live case while still operating across a broader intake pipeline. Now, case room. Now, this is the shared case room. It gives the operator, verifier, and sponsor one synchronized release packet. Everyone sees the same payout recommendation, the same counterparties, the same milestone plan, and the same proof gates before capital moves. Now, here the verifier has already reviewed milestone evidence. The sponsor authorizes release only when the case is ready. And finally, EcoSwarm releases the tranche only after the required gate is satisfied. Now, this is the sponsor facing side of the same workflow. Clients don't need separate update calls or manual reconciliation. They see the same synchronized case state, the same release status, and the same alerts as the operator workspace. Now, this is the market feedback cycle. Now, let's go to audit trial. This is where Hedera becomes essential. EcoSwarm uses HCS for audit, checkpoints, smart contracts for milestone escrow and release gating, HTS fungible tokens for impact receipts, HTS NFTs for impact certificates, distinct Hedera accounts for roles separation, mirror node verification for public auditability, and scheduled transactions for deadline support. And as you can see, these are real Hedera backed actions executed by the app, not mocked claims. Here you can see live consensus messages, live token supply, recent Hedera transaction, and contract back case state, including deadlines and refund eligibility. Now let's see the agent network. Now we also added a semi-autonomous agent layer to reduce coordination friction. This is not generic AI chat. The agent works on the same live case state used by the operator, client, and audit workspaces. The value here is faster triage, faster readiness explanation, and lower coordination overhead in milestone-based climate disbursement. Now this page turns the product into a deployment thesis. It shows the launch wedge, the buyer, the pilot region, the commercial model, and why Hedera is not optional to the business logic. And this is the business view. EcoSwarm is built to become pilot ready, then commercially deployable through a focused go-to-market ready rather than a broad and unrealistic platform story. Capital should move when proof is ready. EcoSwarm region makes that possible.